G'day race fans, in this video we are unboxing the AGI half cage for the BRZ. Details next. I'm Mark Louth from Black Dog Motorsport, and if you or somebody you know has the black dog chasing them, there are some links in the description which you may find useful. What you are looking at here is the half cage as it arrived. It's in a reasonably large box, however it's not very heavy. I was able to move it around without too many dramas. This is a bolt together and bolt into the car design and comes in two pieces. There wasn't a great deal of packing material used, however there was no damage either, so I guess no harm, no foul. This is the ID tag for the cage, which has all the relevant information on it, including the cage serial number. The cage comes complete with the backing plates for the underside of the car and the mounting hardware. The build quality of the cage is exceptional. These are the eye-bolt mountings for the harness straps, and I spent an extra $120 to have a set fitted to the passenger side as well, so just be aware the cage will not come with the passenger side eye bolts unless you specifically order them. As mentioned, the two parts bolt together with the tube sections being formed by way of an external sleeve, and that's what it looks like when it's assembled. It's only loosely assembled here, and I will be pulling it apart and putting it into the car and then bolting it together properly from there. The instructions are really good, step by step with colour photos, so installation should be okay, which are famous last words. There will be a requirement to remove some of the interior, the exact amount of which I'm not sure yet. All the seats will have to come out, maybe the centre console, the rest I guess we'll find out in due course. Rightio, that will do for this one. If you would like to be notified when the new content appears, please consider subscribing. It's totally free. Give the notification bell a ring, and as always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.